gonna ask the first question.
Oh my God, simula na ba mo?
Simula na.
Alright.
While waiting for our food.
Sige.
Yeah, yun na. Hi, Sir Lance. First of all, congratulations. Successful incognitos din. Pwede po ba namin malaman, like, we knew you as a stunt director po, and then now as an actor for one of the hit series of ABS-CBN. Can you please share to us how did you transition from off-cam to on-cam?
So, how I transition? Well, being part of the cam work, mas nasanay na ako being on set. Siyempre, I've seen all of our cast, how they are, how they act. Maraming na ako na tips na nakuha just being on set and being off cam. So the technicals of like blocking, and a bit of acting, mas natutunan ko na. Pero yung acting, medyo talaga siya eh. It's a bit different talaga unless na you try it. So I took a bit of acting workshop with Tita Malu de Guzman, si Apo sa Incognito. And talaga ni-rehearse ko yung mga lines ko. Talagang mas kinabahan ako throw ng lines kaysa sa action eh. So it's a bit different for me. Pero yun, I have the cast members din naman to help me out. They've been really supportive, lalo na si Tito Ian. I go to him for advice, lahat tinatanong ko sa kanya how to do this. And pati si DJ, si Baron, they all give me advice on how to do it, and they've been all supportive.
So they were very helpful.
Yes.
Is this your first acting job?
Hindi naman. Actually, I started talaga sa Lalo Na Sangre. Sila DJ din yun.
Like
Pero small lang,
ago?
small role lang yan. Before college, I did like 1 month of acting there. From there, I did Bagani. Small role din. Then sa Ironheart, medyo matagal yung Ironheart.
Oh.
Pero same
That was the last before this one?
Yes.
So dito sa Incognito, nag-audition ka na ba for the role?
Hindi ako nag-audition. It's more of binigay sa akin yung opportunity. Kasi they were looking for someone to do a lot of fights sa Japan. And siguro tipid na rin, pupunta na rin ako ng Japan ko. They gave me the opportunity to be there. And,
You shot down in the winter?
yes.
Dead of winter ba
Dead
yun?
of winter, February.
OMG.
It was -8.
Exactly. So how challenging was that for the team?
It was very challenging talaga, lalo na kasi tayo mga Pinoy, hindi naman tayo sanay sa malamig.
Exactly.
Lalo na sa yellow. Iba yung lamig sa yellow eh. It's masakit siya mahapdi.
Snow talaga.
Yeah, and ayun, talagang pinagsigido lang namin mag-shoot kahit masakit, mahirap.
Nakailang take po kayo ng sinunod? Kasi parang naging trending topic siya, yung snow fight.
Yes.
So nakailang take po kayo?
In total, we did 8
No.
days. 8 days of shoot. And every day may fight scene kami doon kasi jump pack yung yung episodes ng Japan. It's always fight every day there.
Yung mga stunts mo, sinong gumagawa? Ikaw na rin ba?
Ako na rin. Kaya mas mabilis.
Were you also in Italy?
Yes. Since the beginning of Incognito, I was there.
Okay.
Sobrang astig ng mga fight scenes mo. Ano yung martial arts background?
Well, I started learning wushu. It's a Chinese martial arts since I was 5 years old. My dad was the one who taught me first until nag-join ako ng national team when I was 11. Then from there, I learned a lot of different sports, different martial arts like kickboxing, MMA, boxing, and Filipino martial arts.
Boxing?
Opo.
Dahil sa mga cast, sino sa tingin mo yung may potential na maging martial artist?
Lahat sila actually, because they trained for 3 months and ako yung nag-train sa kanila and I've seen their capabilities and lahat naman sila
Capable.
capable. Yeah. And I would say they're martial artists with the amount of training that they did.
All the 4 guys or 5 guys?
All of them, even the girls.
Oh, 4 guys.
But Richard and Tito Ian are already martial artists since they were young.
Yeah.
Nagpapadouble ka pa ba kapag may mga mahihirap na stunt o kaya mo na
So far wala pa naman. Pero we'll never know. May mga stuntmen din naman tayo na mas magaling sa akin. For sure.
Parang being part of the Incognito cast po, have you ever dreamt na parang doing Kenji na, ay, ito yung gusto ko, parang more on this, since you're a stunt director as well?
It wasn't really my dream to acting or being on cam. More of my dream was to always make a good action film, action series, and action scene. And you know, kung whatever it takes to do that. So I'm happy na nabigyan ako ng opportunity to do it.
Leaning more into action po ba kayo, or do you want to try different genre as well since nag-acting na rin kayo?
Well, as of now, action talaga muna yung focus ko.
What was the course that you took up in college?
I took up business technology management in
Yes, sir.
university
That's one.
in UBC. It's in Vancouver, University of British Columbia.
So you finished it there.
Yep. I took that course for 5 years. Dapat 4 years lang kasi inabutan ng pandemic.
Oh,
So it
okay.
became 5 years.
When did you graduate? What year? Just
2022.
recently.
2022.
May mga ano ka ba? May mga naka-close ka na dun sa Incognito and sino yung, kung meron, sino yung pinaka naging ka-close mo?
Lahat kami very close naman eh. Like even the crew, cameraman, lahat kami, the cast. Pero siguro yung pinaka naka-close ko si Tito E. Matagal ko nang kasama since actually our first project. Yung One Good Day. We had a One Good Day TV series. It was shown in Prime Video. So,
Online
One
series.
Good Day, and then nung Ironheart, kasama namin si Richard nun, ang tagal din nun. So very close with Richard and Ian.
Yeah, like 10 months, ano?
But got really close then with DJ and
Baron.
Baron we were close then. We did a project with Baron before this too. But DJ and Anthony got really close in this project. Actually, we were just together yesterday. We watched the UFC fight. Anthony, DJ, and Richard. Yeah.
Pero dito sa showbiz, let's say mabibigyan ka ulit ng opportunity, mayroon ka pa ba mga gusto na ibang makatrabaho? May mga pangarap ka ba na mga makakolab?
Well, actually, ang hirap kasi yung Incognito, it's such a star-studded cast. Parang yun na yung dream ko eh. Working with si DJ, si Richard, si Tito E, and Maris and Kyla as well. And parang, as of now, I'm really, I couldn't think of anyone better to work with.
Have you ever expected po na magiging ganun yung reception ng viewers sa'yo? Para kasi may mga nakita kaming comments na your, how you look, yung fight scenes niyo, parang they commended it all.
Actually, it's very surprising. Parang my friends would show me yung TikTok na, wait, tingnan mo to. Hindi ko talaga in-expected because I was doing this not for that eh. Parang, I just try to do my best, try to look good for the show and contribute to the show. So, added bonus na lang yun, but I'm very thankful for that response din from our fans.
Hindi ka ba natatakot dun sa mga, kasi di ba may mga actors na yung nadidisgrasya sa set kasi sa stunt nila. Alam ba si Paul Walker, di ba yung mga...
Oh yeah. Hindi naman kasi we're very safe naman in our set. We take safety very seriously. Never had any incident na kinabahan kami. Even though we do a lot of dangerous stunts, we take it very seriously.
May ano ka pa ba? May oras ka pa ba sa love life mo? O gusto mo sapakan mo na?
Meron naman. Nung Incognito medyo mahirap lang kasi it's a year straight of shoot. So medyo nawalan lang ng oras but manageable naman.
Pero, may girlfriend ka na?
Yes.
Okay,
So,
hindi mo alam.
Huli po sa balik. So ano tawag dito? Kung hindi ka pumasok sa mundo ng showbiz, meron ka pa bang ibang dream?
Definitely, gusto ko rin maging entrepreneur.
So,
Get into business.
Yes. But right now, I'm helping with our family business. I'm working as the...
Sa food?
Yes.
Sa food? Yes.
In our food business, we have several restaurants.
Yes.
But not really related to the food. I'm working as a CTO right now. It's related to my course in
CTO?
college. CTO is Chief Technology Officer.
Technology officer.
Yeah. So I handle yung mga namin, technological requirements sa
So you hold up, you're with the Binondo
Binondo Food Group.
Food Group.
Sorry, ginagawa mo siya ngayon habang nag-incognito ka?
Yes.
Paano mo siya napagsasabay?
Yeah, how do you shuttle?
Ngayon naman may naman tayo may Zoom, di ba? We have technology, so mabilis lang naman. So every day, kailangan lang magtingin ng mga messages, mga reports. Pero it's quite challenging. Pero kinakaya naman. Yeah.
Pwede mo ba kaming ma-take back dun sa araw na nalaman mo na kasama ka sa incognito? Ano yung reaction mo dun?
You mean part of the
kasama
cast?
ka. Ano naramdaman mo?
For sure na-excite ako kasi I want to contribute. Like, I know I can do the fights and I want to do something different. So, na-excite ako nung nalaman ko I'm gonna be part of it. Siyempre, kinabahan din. Hindi naman tayo talagang actor. So, and we're going to be having scenes with sila Tito Ian, sila DJ, who are very, very good actors already. Pero, tinawagan ko sila, I told them na I have this role and they were very happy for me. And tinulungan nila, they gave me tips. So,
After Ironheart, after Ironheart, you look forward to the next action series.
you mean Incognito po?
Yeah, Incognito. Diba you were also in Ironheart?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah, we're very happy to, after Ironheart, we're very happy
Yes.
to hear na we're gonna do Incognito with all the cast. Kasi talagang with all the cast we have right now, talagang mabibigyan ng pansin and recognition yung show. And we took that opportunity and to do our best talaga to create something really different and gusto namin i-achieve yung international standards. So very happy with that.
Dito sa incognito, since nabigyan ka na ng opportunity, sa tingin mo ba tuloy-tuloy na siya na yung pagpasok mo sa showbiz?
Can't really say. Tignan natin yung opportunity that comes. Pero right now, kakatapos pa lang ng show, pahinga na muna. And focus muna sa business.
Pero ano naman reaction mo na unti-unti ka na nakikilala?
For sure, mas iba na yung how I go outside. Parang mas kailangan kong mag-ayos kasi nakakahiya naman pansin ako sa labas.
Yeah, when you
Tapos-
get recognized outside, how do you
Yeah.
react?
I'm very happy na
They
people
get
are
recognized.
watching the show talaga. Ngayon lang na-appreciate how much people are watching our show.
Ano yung mga naalala mong magagandang comments sa'yo?
Hi.
Si John Lance, John from
Silver
Star.
Star.
Hello po.
Ay,
Ano po yan?
ano yung mga naalala mo magagandang comments na na-receive mo?
Comments sa'yo. Mostly mabilis lang yung interaction namin. So, tinatawag lang nila akong Kenji. And sinasabi nila, ang galing sa fight. And that's more than enough for me to appreciate their love for the show.
So, mas kilala ka nila as Kenji. Kasi
Mm,
tumatak
as of
talaga
now,
yung character
yes.
mo sa kanila. May mga iba ka pa bang naka-line up na projects bukod sa ito?
Right now, may ginawa kaming show for Baron. Pero this was before Incognito.
Pwede mo bang ma-share siya?
I'm not sure if I can share a lot, pero it's going to be
Not
on...
for ABS-CBN.
It's not for ABS-CBN, yeah. It's going to be on Netflix. It's going to be an action also.
Is it a movie?
It's going to be a movie.
Okay.
Okay lang naman na.
Speaking of the fights, kasi napansin ko rin na yung paraan ng pagsuntok ni Richard, iba yung paraan ni na Daniel. Intentional ba yun na talaga magkakaiba sila ng styles?
Yes, intentional siya kasi parang per character may iba-iba siyang background eh. So, for Richard, ang ginawa namin mas pekiti yung movement niya, Filipino martial arts. And si DJ, ang mas ginawa namin for him is Muay Thai, MMA kind of fight. Yun din yung preference niya, gusto niya yung explosive movements.
So nagbibigay din sila ng input?
Oh yeah, yeah. And it's very important for us to hear their inputs kasi mas komportable sila dun sa gagawin nila. Siyempre, the more comfortable you are sa movement, mas maganda mong magagawa. So, kailangan talaga namin yung inputs nila.
Kasi I'm gonna give you your flowers. Napakaganda nung anong yun eh, nung ginawa niyo yun. Ay, kung mapapansin mo, iba't iba talaga yung fighting styles. Na hindi yung napaka-generic kagaya ng mga lumang na.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Nagagamit mo ba sa... sorry.
Ang kumusta naman po yung fighting scenes, Umbrella, and how was that journey with your director?
Yung Umbrella fight, I was the one who choreographed it, pero it was a bit rushed kasi dito naman sa atin kasi hindi naman natin napapaghandaan beforehand like Hollywood na you have a month to rehearse. Dito you have you're on the spot all the time and sasabihin lang sa'yo yung scene na you shoot the next day, diba? So yun, inaaral ko talaga. I look at a lot of inspirations online and then kinoryo ko and I have to work with Japanese stuntmen. So it's my first time working with these guys pero they're very professional. We pulled it off naman. And then working with our director, our action director pala is Ace Wang Yanbin. He's also a very good family friend of ours. Tagal ko siya kilala. I was with him since I was a kid. He's also one of my mentors.
Is he
in,
based
action.
here?
He's based in Singapore.
Singapore. Alright.
So
So he's not Japanese, he's Singaporean?
he's Chinese Singaporean.
Chinese Singaporean.
So yun, I collaborate with him a lot of times with all of our actions and he's one of my teachers in doing all of this. He's also a wushu practitioner, same as me.
Did you hurt yourself already while
A lot
doing?
of times.
Really? What was
Lalo
the
na-
worst?
Wala namang worse, pero pag
Minor.
kunyari nasisipa na
Accidentally.
suntok at accidentally. Actually nung sa Japan kami ni Richard, nasipa niya ako sa ulo.
OMG.
Pero it was my fault kasi mahaba yung number tapos nakalimutan ko umiwas. So mga ganun, parang it will hurt, may hilo ka for a while but pahinga ka lang 5 minutes, go ka
Can
na
we say
ulit.
that?
Mhm.
Can we say
See?
that?
Ano po?
Can we say that?
On record.
On
On record?
Na,
That Richard hurt you in Japan?
but it was my fault.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yung ano naman, yung sa fights ni Daniel. Kumusta siya katrabaho sa fights?
Si DJ talagang bibigay niya lahat. Lalo na yung magiging fight namin sa Marawi. You should
yeah.
watch out for that one. Talagang yun, one of the most intense fight scene na ginawa ko in my life. Talagang nagtatamaan talaga kami dun. And it's so easy and fun to work with DJ kasi talagang bigay na bigay lahat. Talagang walang arte-arte. Action talaga.
Actually, binanggit niya yun nung nakaraang video ko kasi tinanong siya kung ano yung favorite scenes niya. Ang binanggit niya yung unang fight scene at saka yung fight scene daw sa Marawi. So I think parehas ko rin na yun yung
Yes.
kailangan namin i-look forward.
We really had fun doing it. Talagang one of the most intense fight scene talaga na nagawa namin.
Ilang oras yung shoot yun?
Usually, we have 3 hours to shoot a fight scene.
Which translates to how many minutes? Mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes lang?
Even less, maybe 2 minutes.
Even less. Oh.
Yeah. Pero yung 3 hours yun, that's everything. Rehearsal, planning. Yeah. Actually, very little time compared to mga competitors natin abroad who have like a week to shoot one fight scene compared to our 3 hours. Before that 1 week, they rehearse for a month.
May natututunan ka rin ba sa pag-acting kapag pinapanood mo sila? Kasi syempre natututo sila sa'yo ng stunt. Ikaw ba meron ka rin na sa kanila?
Definitely. Talagang when they act, talagang pinapanood ko sila. I don't look at the monitor, I look at them live. Talagang tinitignan ko yung mga choices nila, how they do it. And yun, ang bilis lang matuto sa kanila because they're not greedy with their knowledge in acting. Talagang they share it with me, casting with me.
So, speaking of learning, pwede kong malaman, kasi parang Kenji Lee, portraying Kenji Lee, what do you like about your character and what do you learn about it? Kasi parang isa sa mga naging comment is bakit ka kumapit kay Manuel instead of the contract?
So what I like about the character is parang meron siyang gray area ng goodness and badness. So parang ang sarap laruin yun na hindi talaga siya totally bad. Parang ano ba siya, mabuti ba siya, masama ba siya talaga. So ang sarap laruin yung acting na gano'n. It's not like straightforward acting. And I guess we have to see ano mangyayari kay Kenji.
Inililing ka po ba sa mga gano'n, like gray characters? Kasi parang si Baron, he said na he enjoy good roles, and then kayo po ba as someone starting and then into stunts, action, ganun po mga classic characters yung gusto niyo?
Yeah, I think it's very fun to do. Yung actually the more challenging the better. Yeah. And as someone who's starting pa lang, parang I prefer yung scenes na mas may emotions. Kasi parang it's easier to show emotions than to be stoic. I think for actor starting.
Paano ba yung workshop na ginagawa mo ngayon?
Ngayon, wala pa so far. Pero before Incognito, I had like 2 days of acting workshop.
Paano yung naging mo yun sa paglalabas mo ng emotion? Paano naging yung process mo?
Paano naging process? I think mas nakatulong talaga sa akin is yung paano himayin yung character doon sa workshop namin. Kung ano ba yung backstory nito, gagawin mo, i-breakdown niyo yung script, ano ba yung mga points na kailangan mo ma-hits per scene. So very technical siya. So I think yun yung pinaka nag-work sa akin in the acting workshop.
So since parang napapamahal din naman sa yung acting, ready ka rin ba na maging A-list actor sa eventually?
If there's an opportunity, why not? Diba? Pero hindi talaga yun yung
Goal.
goal
Talaga
ko,
yun
what
na
I'm aiming for. Pero if I reach that point, why not? Naman.
Was it easier for you having your dad at the helm? Or,
Advantage and disadvantage.
alright.
I think kasi pag you're working with your dad, yung mga comments niya and mga mali mo, he says it straightforward, upfront. Sometimes masakit siya. Diba? Pero alam mo namang he means good. And since straightforward yung niya, ang delivery niya sa akin palagi, he doesn't worry about my feelings. Talagang alam ko agad kung ano yung mini-mean niya, di ba? Nagagawa ko agad ng
So
solusyon.
you get
paraan.
chastised on the set?
Ano to?
You get chastised? Pinapagalitan ka niya?
Yeah, but it's normal. Yeah. I was raised very strict by my dad, and we were raised tough, and it's okay. I don't mind it. I actually prefer it to be like that. Yeah.
So mas nararamdaman mo talaga na iba yung approach niya sa'yo kaysa dun sa ibang mga artist.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Mas strong and straightforward.
Yes.
And
But it's good and bad at the same time. Maybe more good than bad actually. Yeah.
Magkakasama ba kayo ni dad mo or magkahiwalay na kayo na?
I still live
Stay in
with
the
him.
same
Stay in the same
house.
house.
Okay, sa paano yung pag-uwi niyo?
Ayun. Okay naman, we can set work aside naman. Yeah.
you don't discuss work in the house?
We do. We do naman. Pero how he treats me at home is different on how he treats me outside. Yeah.
Isa na lang, invitation na lang sa kasi magtatapos na yung lubog dito. I-invite mo na lang yung
Alright, sige. Hi everyone, I'm Lance Pimentel and I'm inviting everyone to watch the last final mission of Incognito. Stay tuned.
Somebody told me, that your family will go on a respite after Incognito. So, where will you go?
Actually, ngayon we're still planning Hindi matuloy-tuloy yung plano.
Okay.
Pero we're looking at Japan or
Okay.
Singapore or something like that.
At least a break, diba?
Yes.
For you.
Kasi since going back from Marawi, wala pa talagang break
And how long did you stay there? 2 weeks in Marawi?
2 weeks.
Grabe. Tagal din, ha?
Kumusta na pala yung sitwasyon sa Marawi?
It's actually safe there now. Safe naman na siya. Medyo cautious lang talaga, overly cautious yung military natin there.
So may escort, may military escort?
Yes. Pero I think it's just for added safety lang. Pero parang during our breaks nakakalakad naman kami doon. We go to mga restaurants and it's fine naman.
Was Marawi discussed in the series?
Hindi.
Hindi.
We refrain from using real name of cities in the
Fiction pa rin.
fiction. Ginagawang fiction
Alright.
para walang
Ayan.
conflict. Yeah.
Hindi ko siya sa ground zero yung pinag-shootingan niyo or parang...
Ground Zero talaga. Doon mismo. Sa Ground Zero, main battle area.
Picture na lang.
Photo na
Sige,
lang.
solo picture.
Here po. Ready?
Ano ba maganda?
1, 2. Isa pa po. 1, 2. Alright. Ito naman po.
I think you will give it some toast, pero we can take it slow.
Go lang din sila. I-release namin siya. Sige.
1, 2, 3. Stop po. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2. Another one, 1, 2. Thanks, bro.
Here, bro. Sorry. Here. One more. Thank you.
Here lang.
Can I have
Thank you.
an angle?
May mensahe na sa'yo kakawig mo si Chris Chu.
Marami actually. Sobrang dami. Chris Chu, tsaka Rico yan. Ang dami ng Rico yan.
Lahat din po ba?
But he's older. Chris Chu is much older than you. Diba?
Yes.
Much talaga. Sorry.
Ayan na po,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Yeah, one more.
Isa pa po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Enjoy your food.